Tesla has officially launched its highly anticipated Apple Watch app as part of the 2024 holiday update. After years of requests from Tesla owners, the app is now available for installation, bringing a host of new features to the Apple Watch. The app allows Tesla owners to see their vehicle's status directly from their wrist and even use the Apple Watch as a digital key. This means you can unlock your car when you don't have your phone on hand. While the app is already available for download, not all features are functional just yet. Users will need their vehicles to be updated to the 2024.44.25 Plus software for full functionality. Once this update is live, owners can use the app to lock and unlock their car, open the frunk, control the climate, and check their vehicle's charge status. Additional features, like opening the trunk and charge port, flashing the headlights, or honking the horn, will also be available. Another cool feature is the watch complications. These provide real-time data on your Tesla's status, such as energy usage, Powerwall stats, and solar generation. However, there are a few bumps along the way. If you try to issue any command before updating your Tesla's software, you'll see a "Vehicle Software Update Required" message. In terms of compatibility, the Tesla Apple Watch app works with Apple Watch SE, 2nd Gen, Series 6 or later, and the Apple Watch Ultra, running watchOS 11 or later. Some users have reported issues with the app not showing up on their watch after installation. If you encounter this problem, there's a workaround. Try downloading a free app from the App Store on your watch, then return to the Tesla app on your iPhone to complete the installation. While the Tesla Apple Watch app is a great step forward in convenience, it's clear that more updates are needed to fully unleash its potential. As the 2024 holiday update rolls out, Tesla owners will likely see further improvements and more robust functionality.